chocolate donuts. Brings me some sort of joy in this time. I'm not ready to eat lunch yet, but I have been wanting to make these like apple chip things. I'm gonna try that. Basically, all you need is like apples, cinnamon, and sugar. Find an apple core, but somehow I don't have a lot of hope. Aha, success. It's a little busted, but it's fine. Currently coming at you from my toaster. Okay, so I just set those to bake. I think what I'm gonna do now, I've been meaning to take this stuff to the thrift store for the longest time. Take this opportunity right now to get rid of this crap. I literally forgot I had 2 bags of clothing in here. Also need to go to the thrift store, so how long have those been in here? Okay, here we are. How do you bleed? Okay, to the thrift store. Okay, so I just dropped all the stuff off at the thrift store. Got it all taken care of. Why is this not playing? There we go. It's really good. Let's go home. Almond butter on it. This looks awful. Gordon Ramsay would roast my ass so hard. Okay, so my apples are ready right now. Look at that. They're not looking too hot. I think I put too much cinnamon on them. I suppose they could look worse. Yeah, I don't know. First of all, I don't think they're like sliced thinly enough, which does not help. Like, it tastes fine, but like the texture is weird. These are really bad, actually. It is about 5:30. We'll have a Snapchat from Caroline Heagerly. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm thinking vegetable stir fry. Sounds really good right now. Well, I was trying to get a video of it, but it fogged up the lens. Put it on some white rice. Ooh, it's done. Oh my god, it was so good. Just the fact that we're gonna go to Starbucks and I'm excited about it. Okay, so it is currently 1:57. I'm out again because I needed to fax something like immediately. Can you do that from your house? I have no idea. Oh, there she comes with the Crocs and socks.
You're gonna film me in socks and Crocs.
That's exactly what I was saying. Anyway, it's like 6:20 and I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna go make some dinner. I think I'm gonna make some oatmeal because it sounds easy and really good, honestly, so. Okay, so I think now I'm gonna do a little workout because I haven't been working out the last few days because I like hurt my foot somehow. It's just like kind of bruised. I don't know, I'm just gonna be careful and not really like do a whole lot with it. I usually go running in the mornings, but I think that's a bad idea right now. So I'm probably just gonna do like some core, maybe arms. Get this arm workout. Scratched me, I'm shocked. For a little post workout kind of snack, got an ambrosia apple, the superior kind of apple, some water. After I eat my apple, I'm gonna go take a shower. Okay, so it's much later. Today is actually the day of my last final. My calc final just opened up. I have until tomorrow at midnight to finish it. So I'll just see you when I'm done with it. Maybe that'll be later today, maybe it'll be tomorrow. It's the next day. It ended up being like 8 pages, I think, front and back. And looking at this makes me want to really just end it all, but it's done, so. We have a visitor. I honestly don't remember what the last thing I vlogged is, but it is a super nice day outside, so I think I'm gonna go sit on my back patio and read. Oh God, it's bright.